Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. For all of you, wanted to do a full video on Dogecoin, wanted to do a bit of an update after yesterday, which was obviously a big day, but unfortunately not so much for Dogecoin. Now, luckily for us, we did expect that. All right, if you watched the video yesterday, the price was sitting at, I believe, the price is right here. It was around like 38.5 cents. And what we said yesterday already, and we're switching back to the 12-hour time frame here. What we said yesterday already is that, right, well, we've broken down below this level between 40 and 39 cents. We're losing momentum, we're losing volume. Meme coins are not really strong, or at least most of the volume and most of the capital for meme coins was attracted by the Trump and Melania meme coins. So what we said yesterday already, all right, well, it's most likely we're dropping down into 36 cents. And lower into 34 and potentially into this main support level between 32 cents and 30 cents. So it's good that we expected this, but obviously it's not good for Dogecoin because those developments that we talked about yesterday are still going on. All right, you can see that the open interest right here is still decreasing, so that means that we are still losing momentum. So what that means for Dogecoin is not necessarily that we will crash. I would actually go against that. I actually think it's less likely we will crash. I think it's more likely that we'll become stable. But ultimately, what we've talked about a lot last week and what we had a glimpse of the possibilities as well, what we want to see is some sort of a big bullish breakout above 39 and 40 cents. All right, and that we break above that and rally into 48 and 47 cents. And at the moment, that just seems very unlikely. The volume is also dropping down. Volume over the last 24 hours is down 36%, which is not nothing. That's a big decrease. So for me, I mean, ultimately, this is crypto. So getting a bullish breakout is a possibility. But for me, there's really two scenarios in which we can still get that bullish breakout. And that's first of all just having a meme coin season, which at this point of time is not really likely. And actually most of the meme coins are underperforming. If you take a look at Pepe, if you take a look at Bonk, for example, which are correlated to Dogecoin. Or we need to have some sort of a mention with Dogecoin again, or the Department of Government Efficiency, but that doesn't seem that likely either. Yesterday, the executive orders and just in general the entire speech was also not about crypto, which is not necessarily something I expected, but that is kind of the tone I think this administration has set, and therefore it's less likely that Dogecoin will do something like this. So therefore, if we just look at all the facts, right? I mean, I want Dogecoin to rally as much as you do, but if we take a look at all the facts and this technical bearish retest of 38.5 cents as well, it seems most likely that will actually drop down into that level between 33 and 31 cents, which is the main support level that has also held us up throughout the end of December and the beginning of January. And I expect that level to hold as well. Like I said, I don't really get any indication that the market as a whole, or at least Dogecoin, is going to crash down lower. But we will reassess, right? So for now, I would say it's most likely, if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, so we can get a little bit more price action, that will stay in this range. So short term, I actually do think it's most likely we'll retest some sort of resistance. Ultimately, we'll drop down into 32, 31, 30 cents. From there, I expect support. And then if we have found that support, wow, excuse me, almost had to cough. Then we will make some sort of an assessment, do some sort of an analysis on whether from that support we can actually get back up to the top of the range, or whether it's more likely that we'll actually drop down lower. But that's to be continued, because that very much depends on how we react to that support level. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.